thinking process in your mother tongue and you're trying to speak in English.
Actually, truly honest, the best and the easiest strategy of learning this language is speaking a lot. And we have to try to speak English all the time because most of the students that English learner are showing that excuse that they don't have an environment and partners.
Hello, how are you? Both of you are good?
So, hello, ma'am. We are doing very great time. What about you?
I'm having fantastic time too. Thanks for asking. How is your
Okay.
new year going?
So, ma'am, as we're meeting after a long time, so could you please first of all tell me how is your day going on?
My day is going fantastic. I am on holiday and my holiday will finish very soon. From next week, I have to join my work again. So I must be very busy from next week. Tell me about yourself.
Okay, thank you so much, ma'am, for giving me this golden opportunity to say something. Actually, this is Muslim Mams speaking in front of you, as you know, and I belong to Dinajpur district, Bangladesh. And currently, I'm studying at 8th standard. And if I talk about my hobbies, then I like to riding bicycle, speaking to a stranger, and making this blog video. And if I talk about my sister, so we are siblings as well as we're twins.
That's good. So what about her? She
So,
wants to.
ma'am, use
Yeah,
myself.
yes. Why not? You are
Thank
also
you.
participating in the conversation, so you should introduce yourself to for the viewers. So yeah, they will get to know about you.
You're right. So, this is Maliha Masood. I'm studying of 8th standard recently. If I talk my hobby, so I like to read the vocabulary style book. And if I tell about my family, so my family consists of 4 members. Then my parents, me, and my brother. You'll be glad to know, ma'am, that we are siblings as well as we are twins. We study same class standard. And if I talk my daily activity, so I'm so interested to take a session every single day. So that's it about me.
Okay, so how many sessions do you take during a day?
Nowadays, normally we don't take any session because we are a student, so we have to adhere our study. But when we get leisure time, then we take one session.
Okay, that is good. So it's not school holidays for you?
No, today is not holiday for us. Actually, tomorrow will be our holiday. Saturday or
Friday.
Friday or Saturday our holiday.
Okay, what about Sunday? Do you go Sunday to the school?
Yeah, yes, ma'am. We must have to go on Sunday. I think in India it is a holiday, but not our.
Okay, I think in India we have Sunday holiday, but as you said, that Sunday you have to go to the school, and I think instead of Sunday you have Saturday off. Yeah.
Yeah, so ma'am, would you like to introduce yourself once again, please?
Yes, why not? As you already know, my name is Hema. I was born and raised in India. Basically, I am from Uttarakhand. You might don't have idea about it. It is a part of India. So yeah, after getting married, I came to Australia. Therefore, I've been living in Australia for more than 16 years. My qualifications include a post-graduation degree in Hindi honors, which I have completed from Delhi University. I am also holding a bachelor's degree in education from Australia. Therefore, I have been working as a teacher in Australia for more than 10 years. Besides, I have a channel on YouTube which is called The Art of Speaking English, and that's all about me. If you would like to know something else, feel free to ask.
Okay, so
Sure.
ma'am, nice introduction. Would you like to share with us that every single day, every day, what do you do to enhance, to improve your communication skills?
My communication skills. Oh my goodness, this is a very tough question. You know why? Because I stay inside. I don't have anybody to talk with during especially holiday time except my family, but my family members are busy. My children they are busy. My husband has to go to his work. I am the only one stay most of the time at home. I don't have anyone. So through my channel, I get opportunity to interact with the people like you. So I try to do it, especially because I'm on holiday. I have plenty of time. So I try to upload one video once a day. It is my aim because I know maybe later I will be very busy, then I won't get time to upload any video. because through it I am also conversing with people and yeah, gaining knowledge, communicating my ideas, and when we see in front of the camera, we get to know, okay, this is my facial expressions, this is my tone of voice and my body gesture, so we can fix it. English along with your study, because I know you are in grade 8 and especially you are in Bangladesh. I know you are twins, you have company. That is a good thing. You can communicate with each other even though your parents, they are educated, they are good. You can share your ideas with them, but still it is kind of daunting task. And because you are in Bangladesh, I know everyone is not privileged and no have facilities, but yeah, you are making your own way, you are creating your ambience, your environment to
English communication skills with our studies. It was very difficult. Nowadays, sometimes it became very dangerous for us to handle this. But however, we are doing this. We must have to do this because we know that the importance of learning English is very much highly, and to get a good job and to do something better in your life, we need this language English for communications, for going abroad for higher study as well. And actually, truly speaking, that at a party we are trying to take this type of only one session per day for improving our communication skills, and all time, truly speaking, that all time in our home, at our school, with our English tutor, we try to all time speak in English. Even we try to speak English with our parents as well, a little bit, for improving our spoken English and day by day. And we are trying to do that. Actually, truly speaking, ma'am, that I have seen that most of our classmates and friends kind of speak. Actually, they don't know what's the importance of learning this language, why should they learn this language, and how they can learn this language. They don't know. So would you like to share your some tips and tricks that can follow them to learn this language?
Yes, why not? I will be very delighted sharing those tips. But first of all, I would like to say, yeah, that is good. You said that whenever you get chance to communicate, you communicate with your peers, you communicate with your classmates, your parents. Whenever you go somewhere, you make your own ambience to speak in English. So that is very good, because sometimes people complain, learners complain, we don't have environment. How do we learn English? It is not conducive. It is totally different. We don't have surrounding, we don't have partner. So for them, I would like to tell that if you are really enthusiastic, keen to learn this language, then you can make your own environment. It's not a big deal. Now we have cutting edge technology. You can utilize that to increase your English skills, because you can watch anything in English on social media. Especially we have YouTube, any stories and anything. If you are at initial stage, still you can just watch TV, or not TV, YouTube, and just right there in maybe your language, that I'm learning English, how to start. And in your language you will get some of the videos, you can watch it, and there would be some fantastic ideas. And if I tell you who want to learn this language, that person can learn this language just by speaking, because speaking is a very good strategy. If you don't have words, if you don't know the sentence structure, you won't be able to express your ideas well. But when you listen over and over again, it will become your second nature, and it becomes very easy for you to understand. Yeah, you will be able to comprehend and able to speak as well. It is an automatic process, because our brain is very powerful. Use the power of subconscious mind. Listen to the lectures, listen to the English content more often whenever you get time. You need not to get extra time for it. Wherever you are, whatever you are doing, whether you are busy in your household chores or cleaning or doing whatever you are doing, just you need to listen to English content according to your level. Don't listen to very high one, then you will be overwhelmed. I'm not able to understand, it is so hard for me, I won't be able to learn this language. So better you need to choose the content according to your level, and then write those sentences. Couple of sentences you need to write, and you make sure you speak out loud. Why I am saying this? Because you have to give practice to your tongue to speak in English. Now your tongue is accustomed to speaking in your mother tongue. Yes, so you have to make sure you give your tongue practice to speak in English because English is a different language, it has a different accent. You cannot translate from your language into English because we do this, we try to translate on word for word from our native language into English language. But if we do this, we end up with frustrations and confusion because English has a different expressions and our mother tongue has a different expressions. So we need to respect both of the language, don't combine together. But sometimes if you getting it is hard for me to understand a couple of English words, you can see the meaning, but it is not recommended. But if you are at initial stage, you can do this. That is okay. But try to eliminate this habit. This is the second one, listening, speaking. Okay, and you make sure you have, I'm not saying that you need to have grammar knowledge in very depth, but to some extent you should have tenses knowledge, how to form sentences, because without tenses you cannot make sentence. I'm not
Yeah.
saying that you have to open the grammar book and you need to do that, but by listening also you can work out, okay, figure out which sentence is this person is talking in past tense or present tense, future tense, how this person is using the grammar rules, tenses rules. So by that you will be able to form some sentences and try to expose to yourself in English environment or English content how much it is possible, because if you try to immerse yourself in English environment, then only you can extend your skills because you have to live in this language. If you are learning this language, it's not like 2 hours 15 minutes that's finished. It is not a study, it is not a subject, this is a language. You have to think in English, start thinking in English, then you will be able to speak English better. If you thinking process in your mother tongue and you're trying to speak in English, don't you find it is opposite, it is the contradictory situation for you? You won't be able to solve this puzzle if you have this habit. So make sure start thinking in English and it surely help you.
Yeah, thank you so much, ma'am. Actually, truly honest, the best and the easiest strategy of learning this language is speaking a lot. And we have to try to speak English all the time because most of the students that English learner are showing that excuse that they don't have any environment and partners, lack of partners and lack of environments, they can't speak English. Actually, truly speaking to first to everyone, to every English speaker, to every English learner, it is very difficult to make an environment, make an opportunity to speak English anywhere. And in the previous time, we also had and we also faced this type of problem, this type of actually trouble in our home, in our spoken English journey. Actually, in the time we didn't have any kind of environment and any kind of opportunity to speak English all the time. But finally, we did it, and because of us, our parents also can speak a little bit. And secondly, there is listening. Yeah, ma'am, it's also right that we have to listen more and more English video for according to our level because some people speak very standard quality, some people very low quality. So which level we are doing, beginner, intermediate, or advanced, we have to listen that type of content in video on YouTube or any other social media platform on mobile phone. And that writing is also important, but not too much. I think that reading also important for us because we can improve our pronunciation sometimes and get some more vocabulary words from reading and know some more structures and sentences. And without grammar, we can learn this language, but it will be some a little bit difficult. We have to know some tenses to learn this language, to see what type of sentence are they, and to know the time of sentences like present, past, future. So like this, we are trying to practice our spoken English. So would you like to have would you like to ask us some questions?
I would like to know how you practice speaking in English and intact yourself with grammar rules.
Okay, actually, truly speaking, that we are not doing too much work. Just we are trying to make a conversational video for a day, and we are also trying to listen some English videos when we are getting time. And also, sometimes you can say every single day we are trying to some make English blog video, English content for improving our communication skills. These startup are actually difficult. If at home we try to speak English all the time, to enhance our spoken English. I think it is really helping us very much.
That is great. It is helping you and you are improving. You feel that you have improved a lot. That is enough. But I would like to suggest you try to speak little slowly. Yes.
So one, would you guys have
You are
that?
good. Sorry, just let me finish with it.
Yes.
You make sure just speak a little bit slowly, so you will be able to work out the words and sentence and grammar rules, and other people they will be able to understand you. Yeah, Aussie will be able to understand you. Foreigners they will be able to understand, but they don't speak that much fast. You have to take little breath when you are speaking. One sentence, then you breathe, then speak like this. That way you will have intonation in your speech because it is missing at this moment. Intonation, rhythm. So that is also very important. Try to make your voice as sweet as is possible. Okay, I think with this note I should say bye to you because I have to go. Yeah,
Yeah.
is it okay? Or do you have
Thank
any
you.
more question?
We don't have any question. Thank you so much for connecting with us and giving us your valuable time.
I'm
Thank you.
so happy, and I talk with you later. Okay, you were talking with me, and I had to stop you. Do you have any question? Quickly, you can ask if you have.